Everybody. Just another little update video. As you can see, we are back allowed in our classrooms 1 day a week. So I came up here to get some work done because it's a lot more productive here than at my house with my TV and the cat and everything. So I got a bunch of stuff done today. There's a couple things I need to remind you of and update you on so that you know what's going on. The first is Khan Academy. I just assigned some new ones. There are quite a few that I assigned, but they're not due until April 15th, which is 12 days from the time I'm recording this, which is the 3rd. So you have plenty of time to do them. They're over volume, surface area, composite volume, those kinds of things. They're really easy, but remember, you can do them as many times as you need to get that 75% of the score so that it's a passing grade. So don't just do them once and stop. You can do them multiple times until you get the 75%. If you need to, you can ask me questions about them. The Algebra 2 kids have been asking me plenty of questions about Khan Academy. So that's pretty much all for Khan Academy. I think you're all pretty much logged in and good to go with that. The next thing, not the CP class, but the other two classes, your transformation projects were due on Monday, and quite a few of you have not turned them in. And you can do it, you can just take pictures of your project and upload it onto the Turn-In on Google Classroom. If you want, you can take them to the drop boxes in the breezeway, the front breezeway, and just drop it in the drop-off box. I don't care how you do it and get it turned into me as long as it gets done. It's 100 points and it's the first grade on the 4th 9 weeks. So if you do not do it, it's a 0 out of 100, which is going to start you off at a very hard place to come back from. Especially since Khan Academy is our other main source of points for this month for now. Okay. The next thing, I'm trying to work out where we can video conference at least once a week if you want to. I know some of you said you don't really need to, that you're fine without it, but I will work out a schedule for once a week each group. So the 2 geometry classes will be grouped together because there's only 19 of you total. So we will group all of those together, and there'll be a day a week and a time frame where if you need to, you can video chat into the conference call basically and ask any questions that you need to. We can go over things that you need me to go over and that kind of stuff. Then somebody asked about the last page in the packet for the area and surface area and volume packet that I gave you that day 2 days ago, 2 weeks ago you came in, where it's creating your own volume and surface area problems. What that is basically, after you do the whole packet, I want you to create your own multi-step word problems for surface area and volume. All of the specifics are in there. You can use the internet as a resource for pictures. Do not just steal problems from the internet and try and turn them in. I've pretty much read any word problem that comes up when you search them for my own use in our classroom. So just make up your own. They're not that hard to make up. Last year, the kids had a blast doing this because they could just literally do anything. Some people did how many books can you get in a box? You could do how many boxes would fit in a storage container, things like that. Okay. So for surface area, you could do you have a weird present you need to wrap. How much wrapping paper would you need to wrap that present? That's what that last paper is. If you have more specific questions, you can always just email me and ask, or ask on Google Classroom, and I will try to answer the best that I can through typing. or wait until we video conference and you can ask more specific questions then. I think that is everything for now. Hope everybody's staying healthy. I hope everybody's going outside at least once a day when it's nice. Okay, it's good to get out of the house, at least take a walk around your yard or around the block or something. Just get out of your house for a few minutes. Hopefully I'll see you on a video conference call. If not, be safe.